Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. I just wanted to say sorry for yesterday I didn't get a video out. But I did want to give you guys an update of everything that's happening in life right now. So this isn't like really a video about anything, just about the channel and about my life. So anyways, work is officially canceled for another month until like, I think it was May 4th or 5th. So there's another month off unless something comes up that's in like critical or whatever essential. So I won't be working for another month, like I said, unless something comes up. So future videos are going to be kind of sketch. So this is where you help me, because if you leave me video topics or anything you want to see involving tools, anything involving like school, apprenticeship, being an apprentice, or just like any questions you have that I can answer, I can make videos about that, because otherwise I'm going to be running out of topics here, or you're going to get whatever I come up with. So if you drop me some video ideas, that would be great, so I can keep the channel going each day of the week. And if not, I'm going to be trying to get out some Corvette videos. I just need to sit down and not play video games for a day or two and just crank out a video. But I have some videos in mind, but it'll just be a lot easier if you guys help me out with video ideas. So yeah, if there's no video ideas, there might not be videos for that day, but so for the next month, I can't promise you daily videos, but I'm going to do my best, so it'll just be a lot easier if you help me out. And I'd love to just answer your guys' questions, or I guess give you the content that you're asking for, that you're looking for. So I think that about sums it up, except for my house. I'm assuming everything is just frozen right now. I haven't heard anything back. So I did do the $3,550 earnest money, which just means like, because they're building it as we go, I have to keep giving them a little bit of money, like $3,500 to get the permits, and then $3,500 to start, and then like whatever. It's like, by the time it's like done or whatever, it'll be like $10,000 in, and then I'll just whatever take out a loan for the rest once the house is done in like 6 to 8 months. Granted that everything is not frozen right now, so I'm assuming my house is on hold, but so right now they're just starting the paperwork for the permits, and then they haven't even broken ground yet or anything that I'm aware of. So because I haven't given them any more money, so when they ask for more money, I'll assume that it keeps the project is moving along. But until then, everything is frozen, work is frozen, and that about wraps it up. So anyways, drop some video suggestions if there's anything you want to see. If anything you come up with in the next couple days, drop it on the next couple videos or whenever I upload a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys maybe back here tomorrow, but Monday at the latest. And thanks for watching, appreciate it. If you want to help me out, drop a like on the video and subscribe. Hope to see you guys back here tomorrow. Giveaway at 2,000 subscribers, which is coming up in about 67 or something subscribers. So I'll be doing a giveaway that is whatever, socially distant friendly and easy. And so anyways, make sure to stay tuned for that, and that'll be coming up here within the next 2 or 3 weeks, as soon as I get the subscribers. And yeah, check description for anything else, and hit the notification bell for live streams and uploads. I'll probably be doing more live streams. Granted that I just don't be lazy, but it doesn't seem like, I don't know if it's just not working at all or whatnot, but it seems like no one's coming to the live stream, so I'm not sure. So hopefully that changes, or I'm not doing something wrong. So anyways, I'll see you guys later, and peace out. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Stay safe. Stay home. All that junk. And I'll see you later. Peace.